channel, and today I'm gonna show you this, and then I made a little pond for my bow. And while I was about to make the video, the sail thingy just broke off for no reason. I can't put it back on. Can't do it. That's better. Yay! Oh, that's because it's really thick paper. Oh, should I put some stones, like for the bottom? They'll look good. It'll look good, definitely. If you want me to show you how I made the boat, then I can show you, and it's also so much fun, and you can do it in your garden, and I hope you like it. So now I am going to make the paper boats, and in case I do a problem, I have 2 of them. In case one rips, I could use another one. But I actually don't really know how to make paper models that much, so my mom's gonna help me do it. First, fold the paper in half like that. A bit like a paper airplane, but the paper airplane. And also, when you fold it, you kind of might have to make sure everything is in place, so the paper model will be all straight, it won't break. So now, guys, we're gonna fold the paper in a half, and also make sure the edges are good. Check on both sides. If they're good, then that's okay. And this is my little brother coming to help me. And also, he does sometimes break paper. So, actually you have to do it exact like a paper airplane, because then it will be good. So this is how it will look, but soon it will be a paper boat. Now you have to fold each part like this nicely. Also for the other side. And after that, check if they're good. Then after, if they're good, they'll look like a 2D boat for some reason. And that's it for the structure. You have to open this. Then after that, if you see here, you have to put this piece of paper into the other one. So now it looks like a diamond from here. I will fold this, then turn around and fold it again. Like this. Then after, open it like this. Then after, close it like this. And do as best as you can for this part. I will repeat the last stage now. Then after, flip it over. Do that exact thing on the other side. So after, then put it like this, then it will become a boat. You have to do it like this, like a 2D boat again. Then after that, you have your boat. If you liked the video, come back to my channel and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I will see you all again. So now, bye!